I'm here to show you the best summer car that exists. This thing is so cheap to license and plate. This is a 1993 Mazda Mx-3 Precidia. It's got a 1.8 liter V6. This one's got a standard transmission, which is just fabulous to drive. The vehicle is coated in truck bed liner because I was sick of dealing with rust. I'll give you a walk around real quick. So we got some 17x7 street gear Black Widow rims with custom machined 90s Mazda badge that I machined out of aluminum. This tire is a Venezia Crusade HP, so it's a performance rated tire. They just feel awesome, but I've burnt out my back too. Not because this is rear wheel drive, but because of my alignment. This thing's eating up back tires right now. It's got a manual sunroof. It's not electric. I've done it up with aero panels from, I think, a Ford Escort ZX2. So she's got the side skirts and the front lip on there. This hatch is absolutely massive. It's one of my favorite pieces on the car, and it's got this integrated spoiler. The taillights might be tinted just a bit. I've got my own license plate border that I made. Functional tow hook. DIY backyard exhaust with a tip from a full-size Chevy truck. I got the door panel off right now so I can tinker with the window regulator. So there's that hatch. Absolutely beautiful piece of glass. And you get a back seat as well. Lots of space in this car. All right, here's a 1.8 liter V6, and I've had it out and back in and rebuilt. It's just doing fabulous. You can't see it, which is a shame, but there's stainless steel headers right here, and they sound wonderful. I'll get some sound clips eventually. On the interior, I picked out these leather bucket seats. Put them in here. They're off-brand, but I like them. Made a wooden shifter knob. Got a super cheap Pioneer stereo, but it works better than anything I've ever had. Got my cross, got my cat. I'm good to cruise. This thing is done somewhere in the neighborhood of 292,000 Ks. Hence the engine rebuild. But it's pulling along just fine. I've still got some more work to do on the rear suspension. So let me know what you think. Do you like this car? Would you summer drive it?